Question is, Joseph jogs from one end A to the other end B of a straight line 300-meter road. So see, here we have length, which is L is equal to 300-meter road. Timing, which is 2 minutes 50 seconds. So directly I will convert 2 minutes into a second, that is 120. 120 plus 50, 170 seconds. And then turns around and jogs 100-meter back to point C. Now I am drawing the total scale, total travel of this whole system. A to B, which is 300. Okay. Now then he turns around and jogs 100. Okay. So 100. Yes, this is 100. Back to point C. See, this is point C. Okay. In another 1 minute. So timing for this t is equal to 60 seconds. Okay. What are Joseph's average speed and velocities in jogging from A to B? So first we need to find A to B. So average speed and velocity both, right? So average speed is equal to, for A to B, so here I have to write A to B, average speed. So A to B, simply what I have to do, distance traveled by that Joseph upon timing, that is 170. So distance upon time, so 300 upon 170, right? So whatever will be the answer, that is in meter. So that is average speed from A to B. Now average velocity. So for that A to B, average velocity, again displacement. See here, this B is our final position and A is our initial position, right? B is our final position, A is initial position. Now this whole path is a straight line, so no need to change anything. Similar length that we have and similar timing that we have. So 300 upon again 170, 0 cancel, meter. So from A to B, average speed and average velocity are the same. Now B, which is A to C. Now for A to C, average speed is equal to, remember, whenever speed comes, total distance covered by the object. Now total distance, first A to B and then B to C. So total 300 plus 100. So 400, that is total distance. And timing we have to put also total 170 up plus 60. So 170 plus 60, that will be 230. So 230 will be there, right? So by division, whatever will be the answer, that is our average speed for A to C journey. Now average velocity. Yes. So average velocity, the formula for that is displacement. Now what is displacement? Only A to C distance, right? So this is 300 and this is 100. So we have to cut this 100 because now we are 100 near to the A point. So 300 minus 100 will be 200. Timing will be the same, that is through 30. So that is in meter, right? So these are the answer of these 4 questions. See, average speed can be same to average velocity or greater than the velocity, but velocity never be greater than average